Hey everyone, my name is Ishan. This is Gadgets 360. OnePlus has finally launched OnePlus 12R 5G, the successor to 11R 5G, at an event in New Delhi. And here's our first look at the device.
OnePlus 12R is available in two color options, coal blue and iron grey. The smartphone will be available in two configurations, 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage that is priced at Rs 39,999 and another with 16GB of RAM with 256GB of storage variant that is priced at Rs 45,999 in India. The smartphone does not look very different from its predecessor, the 11R 5G, and weighs 207 grams and is 0.88 centimeters thick. It sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED Pro XDR display with LTPO 4.0 with a variable refresh rate that can go up to 120 Hz. The display is HDR10 Plus certified and is protected with Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The smartphone runs Oxygen OS 14 that is based on Android 14 and sports Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. OnePlus 12R sports a 5500 mAh battery that supports 100 watt Super VOOC charging. The triple rear camera setup includes a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2 megapixel macro lens. It can shoot videos at up to 4K 60 FPS. For the front camera, it uses a 16 megapixel camera that can shoot videos at up to 1080p 30 FPS. Other features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, in-display fingerprint sensor, and USB 2.0 Type-C port. Sale for OnePlus 12R 5G will start on 6th of February.
Do let us know what you think of the OnePlus 12R 5G in the comments. Keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech. See you guys in the next ones.